Hi guys, Mark Anthony here with another money making video. If you're new to this channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell where you'll be notified of the new videos that I do, normally about 2 a week. You'll be notified then, just click the notification bell and you'll be notified straight away as soon as I upload and do a new one. Right, let's get right into this money making video, and today we're just going to focus on how you can make money online being a specialist in something where you have a certain skill, a skill that you can use yourself to make money online, but you can also use it um, to help others as well, and sell your services as a freelancer. So the idea basically is really simple. It's like a learn, do, teach scenario where you learn a specific skill, then you do it yourself, master it, and then you can either teach it if you want to, or you can actually set yourself up as a freelancer, like on Fivver here, and sell your skills, as it were. So, regarding making money online, you can use it in your own business, and you can also use it as a side hustle to help others as well. So it's a double whammy. Um, anyway, let's have a look at the Google Digital Garage. Maybe some of you don't know about this. This is the place where they provide online courses, free online courses. Some are with certifications, some are not, and they're covered by lots of different companies. So if we click on the online courses, I'll leave the link in the description below for this Digital Garage webpage. And you can see it's got 156 courses, all types of things for beginners, intermediate, advanced. And you can see the course providers. Google, what we've got, Skillshop, Open University, University of Auckland, YouTube even, all different types of courses that you can join. So we click on the certification one here, and you'll see exactly what I mean. So this course is the fundamentals of digital marketing, which includes certification. And this is run by Google, the Open University. So this is a 26 module course, 40 hours. So there's a lot of work in this. It's probably a full week to do it, and you can see it's free. And so I scroll down, you can see all the modules for this course. And digital marketing is something that even if you're promoting affiliate products, it can still involve digital marketing. A lot of people don't even know what digital marketing is, and it's quite simple really. It's just the promotion of brands where you're connecting to customers through digital communication. And this digital communication, this would include things like email, social media, web-based advertising like by pay-per-click, and multimedia promotion and marketing. So basically, if you're promoting online, this is digital marketing. Now, Google also have their own skill shop as well as they obviously have a look at getting involved in these other courses. But let's this digital marketing course, we'll just have a look at that on Fiverr before we go any further. So you can see how people. Let's have a look what people are promoting on here. So this is results for digital marketing, and I will do marketing strategy plan and manage digital marketing. I will craft a profitable digital marketing strategy and plan. Now this person sold 500 gigs of this, and they start at £115, and this lady's 233. We got 229, 284, and 206. So obviously there's a lot of interest in people want to learn about digital marketing, but they don't want to do it themselves. They don't want to do courses and do it themselves. They would rather outsource it to freelancers like this, and this is the proof in the pudding. All these gigs that they've actually completed. And all these people could have done is just basically gone and done this certification course with Google on the fundamentals of digital marketing. So by the end of you finish your 40 hours of this, you'll be very clued up and in a position where you can make, and not just promote your own products or affiliate products or whatever you want to promote online, but you'll be in a position to help others do it as a freelancer. So like I say, it's a two-edged sword. You can make money both ways with this. You can learn this to promote your own, whatever you're doing online, your own promotions, online promotions, or you can help other people for a fee promote theirs for them as well. So this is the Google Skill Shop, similar type of thing, and they basically promote all the top Google products, which is like Google Ads. They have courses in Google Ads, Google Marketing Platform, Analytics, which is a big part of Google Marketing, Google Ads Manager, and Ways. So all these, let's have a look at Google. If I type in Google Ads Manager, let's see what comes up. Google Ads Manager. So people are doing this on here already. 66 gigs, 53 gigs, 46 gigs, 118 gigs, starting at £24 sterling. So you can see people would rather outsource. They don't want to get involved in it themselves. They're not interested in learning this stuff. They just want somebody to do it for them. And that's where these skill shop courses, which you can do for free with Google, obviously, you're learning from the masters themselves. This is where you'll be setting up accounts and Google Ads and everything, and then managing the ads and then taking care of the analytics. Google Analytics, let's have a look at analytics. If I can spell properly. You can see here, I will set up Google Analytics, 144 gigs, 219 gigs, 115. So same thing again, 293, 573. It's setting up Google Analytics, so people who pay for paid advertising want to know the best way to get the return on their investment. And the only way you can do that is with Google Analytics. So you can take all these courses or just some of them and basically set yourself up. Ways is another one, quite new really, this. Ways fundamentals. The fundamentals of the Ways ads advertising platform. I mean, Ways is owned by Google, that's why it's basically on the list. Google obviously have their own sat nav and Google Maps. And Waze is a different type of app. It's more of a traffic app, but it has over 140 million users every month. So there's a lot of money being spent on the Waze app in local advertising. If you were driving through a certain area, you might see ads for local coffee shops, hotels. It could be anything, and that's what people are paying for. So you could tap into this fairly new option for freelancing. Let's just have a look at Waze. Is there anything on here with Waze? Yeah, I will set up your business ads on Waze ads, £124. And obviously nobody's took this yet, but this is something for the future. Yeah, quite interesting. So obviously this is things like these apps and learning about advertising on these apps, being a specialist. There's not many specialists on here, so you probably do very well if you completed this course here about the Ways ads fundamentals. You'd learn everything, and most people, they don't want no interest in learning this stuff. But this is how you can be a specialist, by having these skills where you can learn and do, and obviously either teach or you can just sell your skills to other people on places like Fivver. Anyway, have a look at these two websites, the Google Digital Garage, I'll leave the link below, and the Skill Shop with Google, where they got different. I mean, these would help your business, obviously. as well as using them to make money as a side hustle as well. Anyway, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Sorry about my voice, just recovering from bronchitis. But, you know, some food for thought, how you can make some money online, just well, you can learn something yourself and then either teach or provide a freelancing promotion on places like Fivver, where you can sell your services for a specific fee. I will manage your digital marketing completely for nearly £200. Obviously, that's I don't know what that is in US dollars, but that's a lot of money, isn't it? And he's on 62 gigs already, and the client seems to be quite happy at 4.9 score. So have a look at these places. There's money to be made in knowledge. Knowledge equals power, and all this involves making more money online once you have the skills to show others or do providing like a freelancing option to do work for other people for a fee. Anyway, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this short video. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and you'll be notified of any new videos that I do. If you're interested in high-ticket affiliate marketing, I have done a free course on this, where I show you how you can earn $1,000 commissions plus promoting high-ticket affiliate marketing products. And I'll leave the link in the description. It's a 90-minute course, absolutely free. You're very welcome to join me on that. Any questions, just let us know in the comments about anything, and I'll try to help you out. But thank you for your time today. My name's Mark Anthony, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourself, stay safe, see you next time.